Hi, we are 14 October 2022, and this is an apple tree that I planted not this year, but the year before. So it's the second year of that apple tree. And you see it had a growth really astonishing, really exceptional, really very good growth. You have to know that I already have pruned it in the summer and it growed again. And there was a lot of apples. So the second year, already so much apples on the tree. And in springtime, there was even frost, and the little flowers and the little apples didn't freeze. It continued to grow. So it really increases also the resistance to frost. There was a drought this summer that was very, very severe, and it hold their apples. It's grown very well. And there is also an antenna, electroculture antenna, atmospheric antenna, like a lighting rod, you can see. And in the soil, I have put a cone and a Lakhovsky coil and basalt, paramagnetic basalt. But the difference in comparison with previous years that made a huge difference, I think, it's that I put cones since 2 years, and those cones are really very powerful. I will show you a cone like this. Here I have tomato plant with lots of tomatoes, but I don't think they will ripen because of the cold now. But here you see that's a cone. So this is inspired from what you see, the hat on the Irish towers. I made big cones, and then I had the idea to make a little cones out of it, because it's a special angle. You have here the angle of 51 degrees, like you find in pyramids, like you find in a lot of temples. And the material of paramagnetic rock, basalt, made an antenna with the earth magnetic field and the Schumann resonance, and it's the earth energy, and then the angle make an antenna with the cosmic energy, with the high frequencies, with the cosmic energy, because that angle is directed to the cosmos. And so you have the earth energies and the cosmic energies that are amplified, or it works together. And really this was a really good idea, because the results are really amazing. So you have that tree. I have also other trees. This is also a tree that grew very well, planted at the same time. And here you see all the apples that fall down already with the wind. But it shows already a second year. It was full of apples. Really, I never saw that so much. A second year, it's really fantastic. And a very difficult year because of the drought and so on. Here the same, also very good growth. But those two grew a little bit less because there was no atmospheric antenna. But with the atmospheric antenna and the cone, you have fantastic results. But you cannot put an atmospheric antenna at each tree. So but a cone, it's very easy to put. If the tree is already planted, you can just put the cone close to it, or dig it in the earth close to it, and so you don't have to think about anymore. But it will work too if it's very close. I saw that on different plants. Last year I had a tobacco plant of more than 3 meters high with a cone like this. So it's very, very powerful. So thank you for your attention, and until next testimonials, observations about electroculture techniques. Thank you. Bye-bye.